Investing in the stock market can be a complex undertaking, but with the right strategy, it can yield significant rewards. Here are 5 key tips to help you navigate the world of investing. First and foremost, do your research. Dive deep into the companies you're considering for investment. Analyze their financial health, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow. Understand their management team, business model, and competitive position within their industry. This thorough investigation helps you assess the long-term growth prospects and stability of a company, allowing you to make informed decisions based on solid data. Next, diversify your portfolio. Avoid the temptation to put all your investment eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various sectors and industries to mitigate risk. By holding a diverse mix of stocks, you ensure that poor performance in one area can be balanced out by strong performance in another. This strategy helps reduce the impact of any single investment underperforming and provides a more stable return over time. Another crucial tip is to invest for the long term. The stock market is inherently volatile, with prices fluctuating due to myriad short-term factors. However, historical data shows that the market tends to provide substantial returns over extended periods by focusing on long-term growth potential rather than short-term gains. You can ride out the market's ups and downs and benefit from the overall upward trend of the market. Managing your risk is also paramount. Set clear investment goals and understand your risk tolerance. Tools like stop-loss orders can help limit potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a certain price. It's also wise to avoid investing money that you'll need in the short term, as financial markets can experience unexpected downturns. Having a well-thought-out risk management strategy keeps your investments aligned with your financial goals and personal comfort level. Finally, stay informed and updated. The stock market is influenced by numerous factors, including economic trends, political developments, and market news. Keeping abreast of these changes helps you make better informed decisions and seize opportunities as they arise. Subscribe to financial news channels, follow expert analysis, and continually educate yourself on market dynamics. Staying well-informed positions you to react proactively and strategically to market shifts. By following these 5 tips, you can approach stock market investing with confidence and a well-rounded strategy. Researching thoroughly, diversifying your portfolio, focusing on the long term, managing risk, and staying informed are all critical components of successful investing. With patience and diligence, you can navigate the stock market's complexities and work towards achieving your financial goals.